Hello guys, today I show you my new kitchen or my new place where I will record my video. So in the future you will see the video from here. So if you are already subscribed, please click on the bell. In this way you will not miss any videos. And plus, if someone of you want to make a gift, help me to make even better this kitchen, you can write me on Instagram, and in this way we can find a way to send the things here in Italy, because sometimes it's a little bit complicated. But now I show you what is inside my wardrobe. Ta-da! Different wine, different beer, different experiment. Here on the bottom is a little bit a mess because there is the fermenters and also the barley. My stove is only with 2 fires, but they are enough. Let's test it. And it's working. What can I say? If you are not subscribed yet to the channel, remember to subscribe, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some advice, some question, if you will pass by in Italy, in the south of Italy, Apulia, Salento, you can write me. Maybe on Instagram it's easy to organize and we can meet. I already meet some other followers, so I will be very happy to let you taste maybe some wine, some beer. At the moment I have not done any cheese or salami, sorry. I have some preserved figs that you will see very soon in another video. But don't worry, if you pass by something to eat, I will find for you, don't worry. See you in the next video. Or here in my kitchen, if you decide to visit south of Italy. Let me know.